What's up, world? Installing that Voltex wing today. Yeah. Troy's excited. You can see it on his face. Yeah, he already took his stock wing off. And then kind of buffed and polished it a little bit. And yes, this is a rep wing, but it doesn't look bad. And then AJ over here changing his oil. You know, a few of you have been wondering what's going on with this thing. Still working on the transmission. Trying to get it right. But yeah, we should be uploading some more videos for this thing soon. Just stay tuned for that. Basically, we kind of lucked out. And machining on this piece...
Do you have to drill any of your own holes?
It's pretty quick. No, actually, all the holes are pre-drilled.
What about in the wing?
You just have to...
oh, okay, yeah, so there's...
Yeah, there's helicoils already inserted in there. So, what this plate does is allows us to adjust the height of the wing, which is pretty cool. You can see. Not bad for a rep wing. Where'd you buy this?
eBay.
eBay, that eBay special.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to...
Yeah, now we're gonna mount it up to the stands after this. And put it on that bitch. Dope. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're basically just measuring for the base plates. Make sure that's nice and even. But yeah, gonna get that knocked out right quick. Basically what we did was we just took a sharp tool and just marked into the paint where we're going to drill. The plate's going to be covering up all the little scratches and stuff, so it's no big deal. Plus it's got the Voltex bottom plate for the whole trunk to cover up the holes, and you know the little mistakes that we'll make, no big deal. But yeah, we're about to get the rest of it on, so we're going to do the same thing to the other side. No turning back now.
I decided I don't want to do it now. Right?
Got the holes drilled. Now we're gonna get some hardware. Yes. So we made it back. Got the holes drilled. We had to go to O'Reilly's and AutoZone and blah 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 everywhere. Get some longer bolts. No biggie. Gonna start putting it on right now. So we got the bolts through. Boom. Now we're just gonna tighten it down. All right, got it all bolted down. The moment of truth. See if the hood see if the trunk closes. Damn. Race car status. I think it looks dope. But yeah, that's a replica Voltex Wing install how-to. Appreciate y'all coming along. Catch y'all on the next one.